In today's video, I'll show you how to integrate Typeform with Zapier in just a few simple steps. This is perfect if you want to automate your workflow and save time. First, open your Typeform account and make sure you already have a form created. Next, go to Zapier and sign into your account. Click Create Zap to start a new automation. Now choose Typeform as your trigger app. Then select New Entry or New Response as the trigger event. After that, connect your Typeform account to Zapier and choose the form you want to automate. Next, select an action app. For example, you can send responses directly to Google Sheets, email tools, CRMs, or other apps. Now map the Typeform fields to the destination fields inside Zapier. Once everything is connected, run a quick test to make sure the automation works properly. If the test is successful, turn on your Zap. From now on, every new Typeform response will automatically move into your connected app without manual work. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Typeform with Zapier and automated your workflow. And that's how you integrate Typeform with Zapier. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.